guys, hi, this is me Priyanka. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well, and be safe also, and doing study properly because NEET is coming, and you are a future doctor, so you have to study proper. So today's topic, you know already, those who watch my last video, they already know our today's topic. If you don't know, then let's know together. So today's topic is, guys, best 5 online application or best 5 online sources to study MBBS properly and clear your all concepts and your all doubts and all things what you have during your study. So as I use personally Marrow, so I am a Marrow Plan C student and Plan C user, guys. As Marrow provide all things, I have all of the facilities in that. So I am a Marrow Plan C student and I practice all the Q banks and I watch all the videos, all the notes I noted down, and all of these things are very helpful for me, and it's really helpful to understand and clear my all doubts. So guys, as I personally use Marrow, I refer you Marrow firstly, and I did not compare any of the applications. I just share my opinion as I use Marrow, that's why I prefer your Marrow firstly. So the next one is, guys, Prepladder. It is also as same as the Marrow. They have Q banks, video lectures, and notes they provided. You can buy offline online notes and PDF and all things you can. But in Marrow, guys, there is online notes with your video lectures, and if you want to buy offline notes, you can buy. I think the price is 6 or 7,000 for the edition, for different edition. Now in Marrow, it's 5 edition is running, and it's good. So the next is Prepladder. So we completed 2 applications, that is Marrow and Prepladder. The third is, guys, Najib sir's application. You know very well Dr. Najib sir's application. I personally use it in my second year, and I buy it for 1 year, guys, and it's very helpful for me, and I think it's very helpful for you also. The way sir teach is like amazing, guys. You can understand everything and each of the point. And so Najib sir, thank you so much for your videos for us, and it does not cost 30-40,000. It's only cost $5 or $10, so you can easily purchase it. But in Najib sir's lecture, there is not all topics, but which topics sir covers, they are very clear and very helpful for all of us. Sorry for tongue slip, guys. And the next application is like Lecturio. Few students are using Lecturio app. I don't know that I also use it by free trial, but I can understand all of the things because they teach us in a very brief way, like clavicle. It is a in only main points they teach us, but they cannot teach in like in Marrow or any other apps, I think, because I use it for only for 1 month, so I cannot have so much good opportunities and so much good experience with Lecturio. But so many people are using Lecturio, it's also good. And so here we complete our 4 online applications, you can say. And the fifth one is, guys, you can search any topic in YouTube, because there are so many teachers, so many students who teach you in a very good way. Because you are a student and I am also a student, if I have doubt like where is clavicle placed and what is the joint with clavicle, humerus, and with clavicle and scapula, what is the joint, and all of these things what we can't understand, the sternoclavicular joint and acromioclavicular joint and all of these things. Few students are still there, those who did not understand all of these things, and they have so many doubts. So you can search your doubts in YouTube also. You can get videos, video lectures. So many students, so many teachers teach us in YouTube, and you can find your doubts clearing video, and you can clear your doubt from there also. So today's guys, only these things they can help you properly, and otherwise you can help yourself by yourself, because you are the best teacher for yourself. If you study properly, nobodies are there to pinch you or like forget it guys. So teach yourself properly by yourself, and if you have any doubts and all things, then clear with your friends, clear with these applications, clear with Dr. Najib sir, and in YouTube also. And here I want to say one more things about Dr. Najib sir, that is I forgot so many times my password and all, but there is no problem guys. The support team of Najib sir it's very active and very helpful for me. I always send them a mail that I forgot it and help me for that, and they always help me out about that problem, and I'm so grateful to them. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and thank you so much for your that much love guys. So you can study from these applications, and for marrow and for pre-bladder you can ask me for the offers. This video is not sponsored by any of these applications or any of the YouTube, someone by any of this, nothing, no one sponsored this video. I just make it for your help, and I'm always there guys for your helping you and for me, and I think you all are there for me also. So thank you so much for watching this video guys, and be happy, be healthy, bye bye, be safe also guys. Keep study properly, because you are future doctors. So doctors, study proper and take care yourself and your family. Bye bye.